Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll talk about alignment. So I'll go ahead and just try to play around with some objects I'm seeing or layouts I'm seeing in this template we're working with, which are the client's logo. So in this alignment pane, you can see there's something they call auto layout. Yes, when I delete it, I can individually work with each layer now. But if it's on auto layout, once I'm shifting it to keep adjusting and making some automatic decisions for you. So I'm just going to displace all the logos for a while. Then I will highlight all of them, holding the shift key on the keyboard and clicking each of the logo. Then I'll come to align horizontal centers to see what it does, align left to see how it's doing, align right to see what it's doing, align bottom, then align center. This is what I want. See as everything's aligned neat. Then I come to more options. I distribute it vertically. See how the spacing is done neat. The gutters in between. Tidy up is the same thing. Distributes horizontally or vertically. Aligns your gutter and makes everything look nice and clean. The auto layout is a property I can add to frames and components. It lets me to create designs that grow to fill or shrink to fit